Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today we're investigating which of three types of shape enclose the greatest area for a given perimeter. So, which shape gives us the greatest volume to perimeter ratio? So, we've got three shapes in principle. We've got two rectangles, one of which is a square. We have a proper rectangle and we have a circle. And the circumference of the circle is 16, the perimeter of this is 16, and the perimeter of this is 16. So let's work out some areas. This one's pretty simple. If it's a square, that is 4 and that is 4. And our area is going to equal 16, 4 times 4. Now, let's say that this is, what shall we say? We'll say that this is 6 and this is 2, which means that this will be 6 and this will be 2. Now, you would agree that it's got a perimeter of 16. 6 and 6 is 12, 2 and 2 is 4, 12 and 4 is 16. But the area is only equal to 12 units squared. I suppose I should put that in, units squared. Okay, now this gets worse as you make the difference between the length and the width greater. So if we say that this is 1, and what do we need? We need 1 here, we need 7 here, and we need 7 here. 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 1 is 2, 14 and 2 is 16. What is the area? Well, the area is equal to 7 units squared. So you can see what's happening here. It's pretty well known that as these numbers approach the same size as each other, you enclose more and more area, and you can see that with the example of the square. What of this, though? Well, what we know is that the circumference is 2 pi r, and that is equal to 16. So we're going to have to find out what r is equal to in order to work out the area of this circle. And there may or may not be a surprise here. Let's see. So the radius is going to equal 16 over 2 pi. Right. So I'm just going to do this really simply. I'm going to say that pi is 3.14 so that we can get this done and you can see the general principle at work. So 16 divided by 2 times pi, or 2 times 3.14. Let's see what that is. 3.14. Okay, 16 divided by 6.28. Again, I'm just using that. Okay, so we have a number. R is equal to 2.548. Let's just do some rounding. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of this 2.548. Okay, so the area is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so 2.548 squared is 6.49 roughly, and we're going to multiply that by pi, which again we're using 3.14. Okay, I want you to see the answer before I write it down. So there's the radius squared, which gives us that. We've multiplied it by 3.14, standing in for pi, and that's our answer. Our answer is 20.386 units squared. So what we have discovered from these three shapes anyway is that in terms of rectangles, probably the square is the most efficient way to enclose a space, given the ratio to the perimeter. But we have also found that a circle with a circumference of 16 beats anything that we have on this page. It gives us 20.38 units compared to 16 units for the square, which is the best we can do with a rectangle. I hope you found this interesting. It might be a problem that you see pop up in calculus from time to time. You never know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.